All right, let's get started. Number one, we're going to talk about rosemary. Rosemary is so versatile in the kitchen, and it also works well with meats. If you like barbecuing or smoking your meat, you might be using this for your steaks out on the house. Number two, cilantro. I like growing cilantro in an abundance, and I encourage you get that whole seed packet and toss it into a planter. You might need more than what you think. Number three, we can't forget about lettuce. Go ahead and get some of your favorite mixed greens. Ideally, I would recommend you to eat something that you have frequently. Don't go growing something you might not even know what it might be, because chances are you might have limited space. Number four is going to be kale. Who doesn't love kale? Says anyone. Well, kale's good for you. So grow some kale, put it in a smoothie, saute it, make it for your breakfast. You can really do so many things with it, and it's packed with a lot of vitamins that are very good for your stomach, your gut, and yeah, let's eat more greens. Number five is gonna be cauliflower. Now, this is great because you have the ability to not only eat the seed, flower, whatever you want to call it, but the leaves are incredible. I've been eating those all year round, and honestly, I'm kind of sad to know that I wasn't eating them before. And lastly, number five, this is going to be more of a fill in the blank of what you might like because you can kind of grow any kind of herbs. We're talking about dill, we're talking about thyme. You can really add the last herb of your choice because I do feel that you're going to be cooking more often if you stay tuned for more of these upcoming videos. Let me know if you found this helpful. Bye, everyone.